Ever felt the wind push you forward like it's cheering you on? Close your eyes and imagine this, a sea of stretching as far as you can see, the grass kissing your trainers with every step. You're 16 with the whole world ahead of you. The sun's shining, your heart's pound feels like a promise. You race through the arms wide open like you could just take flight. Each gust lifts you higher, every stride feels lighter, the world around you, but you're in perfect focus. This is freedom to run without a care, the pure exhilaration of the moment. So next time you see a green field, don't just walk, run. Feel the joy, embrace the freedom, because these moments last forever. Stay young, stay free, happy running.